Alright guys, Austin and Jordan here. Just doing a hike to Kennedy Falls. Wasn't on the map, so I guess we'll see. And it's going great so far.
We got Ultras, not a sponsor.
Oh yeah, and Ultras. Good. Started really pretty here. Love it. Hiking along.
Kennedy Falls, 9.8 kilometers in and out. Apparently roughly 4 hours.
Roughly. And parking's only 3 hours. How does that make sense? What are you supposed to do? Just get a ride through?
For all the bikers.
Interesting.
All Trails does say to find a different way up there and drive.
Also, how are they supposed to know that you've been here for 3+ hours?
Wait, are you sure that that's this hike? No, dude, that's the wrong hike. 3 hour parking. That's tunnel bluffs.
But you didn't look at the parking signs.
Down there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually.
Oh, hey, look at this.
Oh.
Give us a trail update.
Why don't you give us a trail update?
Oh, okay. Well, it's super muddy.
It's very muddy.
Which is very difficult to traverse. But it's a beautiful hike so far. Lots of water. Gotta clean my boots off lots. So at least that's a plus.
Yeah, you definitely need waterproof shoes.
Yeah.
It's like a guarantee. There's a lot of river crossings. It's pretty slippery.
It's very slippery.
Lots of rocks.
Roots.
But I mean, I would classify this as moderate. I would not, like, it's almost easy, to be honest. The elevation is, like, not that much.
That's true.
You have,
but
like,
the actual, like, climbing up stuff is a bit hard. Especially if you've got short legs.
Yeah, and there's also the tree. The one tree is pretty hard to cross over.
Yeah, you gotta, like, climb up it.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Otherwise, it's not too bad.
The giant cedar tree behind us.
We finally made it to Big Cedar.
Woo!
It's absolutely massive, as you can see.
Foggy.
Also, it's starting to rain, for sure.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Good thing we're at the falls.
We're not at the falls.
What's over there?
There's still like another long time.
No, there's a sign right over there.
Bruh. Look at the map. Yeah, there's a sign saying that you have another 2 kilometers to go.
I disagree.
That's what you've hiked so far.
Wow, impressive.
It's taken us 2 hours. We should have already been there by now.
You know, we did take some pit stops, take some pictures.
Sure.
Give us some leeway, okay? Good job. Onwards!
Onwards.
Hiking is type 2 fun.
If you're going to talk about type 2 fun, you have to explain type 2.
Type 2 fun is fun. That's fun when you think about it afterwards. When you look back, you're like, wow, that was fun.
That's very true.
Type 1 fun. Ooh, I'm having fun while I'm doing it.
Why don't you give us a trail update?
I've never been on a more muddy trail in my life.
what do you think?
I think I'm tired and ready to go home, but it was the biggest waterfall I've seen in my life.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
I'd recommend this hike, but it's very muddy and you need very good shoes.
Yeah. At least
And
if
just
you're
be
gonna come
prepared
here.
you're gonna get sprayed in the face when you get to the waterfall. It's very strong,
Yeah.
very full of water.
Yeah, it was pretty good. After, I feel like Big Cedar, it got significantly harder. Otherwise, it was pretty good. Waterfall is large, definitely. Yeah. We gotta get back though.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna put this away. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Yeah. Sweet.
That's awkward. I don't like that.
What? What's awkward? I'm still recording. Tell me.
Oh, goodbye.
Saying goodbye
Yeah.
is awkward?
Yeah.
Oh, not good.